And that company is called the Digital Career Blueprint. Now, the Digital Career Blueprint is a dedicated online course. It's interactive. They have a Facebook group that has thousands of members. Many of them are digital marketers, so you can actually ask people who already have jobs their opinions on stuff. The Facebook group is also very active. They have live classes every single week. They also give you assignments that are graded and you get a lot of feedback. It's just way, way more affordable. And it gets people much, much better results. And that's evident by the fact that the person who created it, his name is Seth Jarrett, he has thousands of testimonials, reviews, and interviews between his Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube channel. Seriously, like he has more evidence that his course gets people jobs than all of the other courses and boot camps and nano degrees or whatever you want to call them combined. And all of these interviews are either where he just talks with a person and they go back and forth, or they show the person's LinkedIn. So these are all people you can verify they're real people. You can go and ask them what they think about the course if you want. So there's an overwhelming amount of evidence that he gets people jobs consistently. So a lot of the time he's getting people jobs in like somewhere between 1 to 3 months. Most of the time they're starting off $40,000 to $50,000 a year.